Hello and welcome back. So, in the earlier video, we have seen the privatization, and there we have discussed basically the definition of privatization. At the same time, we have seen the objectives and the conditions necessary for the privatization. Now, in this video lecture, we are going to see the remaining portion of this particular chapter, that is the privatization and privatization in India. So, let's see. We will discuss basically here the arguments in favor of the privatization. Basically, see, every coin has the two sides. One is favorable and the other one is unfavorable. It depends how we use a certain thing. So the privatization has both the positive effects as well as the negative effects. So in this particular video lecture, we are going to see both these aspects, that is the arguments in favor of privatization and arguments against the privatization. So let's discuss the different points which we are going to see here. So first one is their reduction in the budgetary deficit. See, the budgetary deficit is considerably increasing. Every year we find there is a increase in the budgetary deficit. So these budgetary deficit can be reduced if basically what happens, the government provide the finance or provide the financial assistance to these PSUs. These PSUs which are actually the sick unit also, and there is actually a financial burden on the part of the government, and if these units PSUs are privatized, then what will happen, there will be a certain amount of money with the government, which the government can utilize it for the other welfare projects. So the budgetary deficit can be reduced if we will properly handle the privatization policy. Similarly, the less political intervention. We have seen the private enterprises do not have the political interventions, and the public sector enterprises or the public sector undertakings basically suffer with the political interventions. These political interventions actually delays the decision making process, and just because of that there were many problems. This problem can be reduced if the privatization can take place. Similarly, the improvement in the economic efficiency and the technical efficiency. See, the private sector basically works for the profit motive, and this profit motive is actually work as a motivational factor for improving the efficiency, economic efficiency. That is basically the firm tries to reduce the cost, firm tries to reduce the wastages, and similarly the technical efficiency is increased. So such type of the improvement basically we see in the private sector. And if the privatization takes place, so it will have the positive impact also in terms of the PSUs undertaking, which will be in terms of economic efficiency as well as the technical efficiency, if these PSUs are converted into the private undertaking. Okay. The next one is their increased accountability. The accountability is increased. How this accountability increased? When the public sector undertakings are privatized, and then their shareholding, their shares will be traded in the stock exchanges. Basically, it will actually increases the accountability, their financial accountability. The balance sheet is there, seen to the public masses, and as a result of that, these PSUs will be accountable to the society. Okay, So the accountability is increased. Globalization of the economy. See, privatization supports the globalization. Uh, Globalization supports the privatization. So when we are undertaking the privatization activity, the economy will be globalized. There will be the more foreign direct investment in the country, and when if these public sector undertakings are sold to the strategic partners, then what will happen? There will be the more foreign direct investments, and this will increase the more jobs. This will increase the jobs in the country. Employment opportunities will increase. The as we have seen in the next point, the sources of new jobs we will see. Similarly, there will be the increase in the industrial growth rate. If the sector will work in a more efficient manner, if the uh, um, PSUs, which are actually privatized, if they will work in a more efficient manner, that undertaking will work in a more efficient manner, it will actually contribute in the industrial growth, and as a result of that we will find there will be the increase in the industrial growth rate. Similarly, there will be the increase in the foreign investment. Okay, privatization is in the many parts of the world, the privatization is accepted, and this privatization actually attracts the foreign direct investment, which we have seen in the earlier points. So there will be the increase in the foreign investment. Similarly, the country will be in line with the international trend, because many countries of the world have adopted the privatization policy, and they are seeing the tremendous growth also in their GDP, their industrial growth also. So the country will be in line with the international trend if the privatization is adopted. So we have adopted the privatization, but there are the certain uh, drawbacks also, and these drawbacks we will see here in terms of the arguments in favor of the arguments against the privatization. So the first one over there is a concentration of economic power. So what will happen if the undertaking is purchased by a big business house in the country? Then the economic power will be concentrated to that in a business house of the country. Okay. Similarly, we find the substitution of the monopoly power. As we have seen, the many of the PSUs have the monopoly power, and now they are privatized. So again, there will be the effect we will see in terms of the monopoly power, in terms of that. Similarly, the lopsided development of the industries. We have seen we have seen earlier that the private sector promotes such industries which are having the less gestation period. The investment requirement is also less, and they do not the private sector basically does not show much interest in such industries, where basically the capital requirement is more. So basically there is a lopsided development of the industries, and this lopsided development is harmful for the economy. There is also the problem of the industrial sickness. Many of the private sector undertakings also has the industrial sickness problem. Okay, we can say that the public sector undertaking is itself is having the industrial sickness problem. Many of the private sector undertakings in India is suffering with the industrial sickness. So again, these problems will be there. Similarly, there will be the entry of the multinationals, and in the country with the adoption of the privatization, the multinational companies will also uh, enter into the country, and there will be a different culture. There will be the increase in the speculation activities and other problems which are associated with these institutions like multinational corporations. So no safety for the weaker sections. See, um, many of the labor class people or labor union, trade union oppose the privatization because they are not having the future's safety. When they become unemployed. Okay, so the social security on their part will be reduced. Similarly, there is the problem of the corruption. The private sector is having the much problem of the corruption. So such type of the problems will be there. Okay. Now we will see the suggestions for the effectiveness of the privatization. Suggestions for the effectiveness of privatization. Basically, see, um transparent policy. The government should adopt the transparent policy which is acceptable to all. Similarly, there should be the comprehensive strategy which should be followed. The restructure of the PSUs should be done. Similarly, there should be the independent administrative body which look after all this process. The government should be very selective in terms of the privatization or disinvestment of the PSUs. The sound strategy of investment should be followed. Similarly, the implementation of the implementation of the policy, and there is a need to educate the public related with the privatization. Okay, so that's all from my side today. Thank you.